Hola muchachos, ¿qué tal? Buenos días, aquí tienen el horario para hoy, miércoles el 16 de abril. Pretty straightforward, our agenda for today. Speed dating to begin with the interview questions that we went over last class to get you guys ready for your interviews, which begin next class. That's this Friday or next Monday for you B-Day classes. So today's class will be dedicated to refining your responses to the interview questions. You guys can go grab another copy if you've misplaced them or weren't here. You guys can watch this video for a guided review of those questions. Everything you need housed here in Canvas under the assignment titled Spanish Interview. Nothing you need to submit here, as we'll be doing those interviews orally, of course, next class. You guys do have an interview activity that is due next class to help you prepare for this interview that we're going to do. And that interview activity will be handed out to you. Whoops. There we are. So for this assignment, you can see the 10 questions are there, the same 10 questions from the interview itself. You're going to write the name of a classmate, and as the instructions say, use different people for each of these 10 questions. Write their name in the box, and then if you have space in the box, sufficient space, you can do it there, or you can do as the instructions say on the opposite side of the paper, and just bullet points summarize their response to each question. Give me 3 things in the future perfect that they intend to do before they graduate, 3 things in the future that they intend to do after they graduate. Does not need to be in complete sentences, just bullet points giving me those key pieces of information. 3 things that their parents insist that they do after graduation, 3 things that they would recommend that students do in their first year as freshmen, what kind of job they think they'll have in the future and why, what they think their future will be like in 5 years, 3 descriptions of their future, what their intentions are, 3 plans for the summer vacation, what they're passionate about, and 2 or 3 reasons why, 3 recommendations they would give to live a joyful life, 3 things in the future perfect that they intend to do in 10 years. And then these last 5 questions are kind of variations of these other 10 questions. So not questions that are going to be in the interview, but questions that are similar to the interview questions that will help you with further practice for the grammar that's used in the interview itself. ¿Qué habrás hecho en 50 años más? 3 things that your partner will say they have done in 50 years' time. Opposite of the question about their passion, this question, ¿qué te molesta y por qué? What bothers or annoys them and why? 2 or 3 reasons why. What they will have done, 3 things in 20 years' time in the future perfect. What their plans are for this weekend, 3 things that they intend to do. And then what kind of car will they drive in the future and how would they describe it? Make, size, age, all that kind of stuff, descriptions of their dream car.